What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of real estate in Harrisonburg, Virginia and the Shenandoah Valley. I'm Brad Cohen with Conexa Real Estate, and today we're stepping into the exciting realm of real estate investing. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or aiming to create a steady stream of income, real estate investing can be a game changer. So let's get started. As many of you know, I believe wholeheartedly in real estate as an investment and one of the best overall wealth builders in the long term. It's the reason I got into the industry in the first place. In addition to helping people buy and sell, I'm also a real estate investor myself, with experience in both short and long-term rentals as well as flipping. Real estate investing comes in many forms. Owning your own home serves as a real estate investment that you build equity in and will generally appreciate over time. You might buy a property to rent out either short or long term, purchase a fixer-upper to sell for a profit, or invest in a real estate investment trust, also known as a REIT, which allows you to invest in real estate without owning the physical property. Each method has its own set of benefits and challenges. It fundamentally comes down to how actively involved you want to be in the investment. A lot of people get into real estate investing because they think it is passive income, and in some ways it can be. But I want to clarify, no real estate is truly passive. Let's talk about rental properties first. They can provide a consistent income and property appreciation over time. However, they also require active management and initial capital for purchase. You can make this a more passive investment by hiring a property manager, but there will still be maintenance costs that come along. If you get into short-term rentals, there's a lot of booking management and turnovers, but they generally cash flow better than longer-term rentals. Flipping, on the other hand, involves buying, renovating, and selling properties quickly for profit. It's faster paced and can be rewarding, but comes with higher risk and demands a good understanding of the housing market and, more importantly, renovation costs. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach, REITs offer a way to invest in real estate through the stock market. This can provide income through dividends and the potential for capital appreciation, with less direct involvement required from the investor. This is the most passive way to invest in real estate and a great way to start if you're a beginner. Before diving into real estate investing, it's crucial to do your homework because, as I said, it is a very active investment. Understanding the local market you are looking to invest in, assessing your financial readiness, and having a clear strategy are key steps to success. Read books, network with other investors, and listen to podcasts to learn more. If you need a reference, I love the Bigger Pockets podcast, and I'm listening to it all the time. Remember, like any investment, real estate comes with no guarantees, but offers substantial rewards to those who navigate it wisely. If you're interested in exploring real estate investments here in Harrisonburg or talking about real estate investing, reach out in the comments or send me a note and we can set up a time for us to chat. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights and tips on making smart investment choices in our local community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate wisdom. Until next time, happy investing. I'm Brad Cohen with Conexa Real Estate.